Here's how to use the calming Seborrheic serum to soothe your scalp. Apply the serum generously to your whole scalp. Massage in gently. If it doesn't fit easily into your nighttime routine, just make sure to let the serum absorb for at least 2 hours before washing your hair. Once the serum has had time to absorb, either rinse off with water or wash your hair with the malassezia-safe shampoo. If you have textured or natural hair, the serum can also be used as a leave-in treatment. Whatever your hairstyle, the longer you can leave the serum on, the better. If you feel a slight stinging initially, that is totally normal. Some of the natural ingredients like sea salt can actually sting before they soothe. If the feeling is too intense, dilute the serum by 50% with distilled water. For best results for your scalp, follow up with the MCT Scalp Moisturizer to seal in all the calming ingredients. Then, when you're ready to shower, wash both out with the Scalp Therapy Shampoo. One of the only shampoos that won't feed the malassezia yeast on your scalp. For face relief, we recommend using our serum cloths for easy application. If you're going to use the bottled serum on your face, we suggest starting with the purifying facial cleanser, then following up with the serum, and then adding a layer of protection with the soothing malassezia moisturizer. Follow these steps every day to enjoy more peaceful skin and peace of mind. If you have any questions about caring for your skin, send us a message at support@dermazen.com. We're ready to help.